Hey guys, if you have a BMW 3 Series E90 91 92 guys, if you have a message that says washer fluid level low, stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 Series generation E90 91 92 93. That's a 3 Series from year 2005 to year 2013. If you guys have a problem where you get a washer fluid level low warning on the dash, you wonder how to fix that, stay with us, we'll explain. It could be multiple reasons causing that, but it could be super simple fix. We'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. Make sure to stay until the end. Every single car guys that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine, fuses, codes, transmissions, all that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Check out guys our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So if you guys have a windshield washer fluid level low warning, what that means? Right here is your washer fluid reservoir. At least that's where you fill it up. Actually the reservoir itself is under the fender guys, under the front fender here. Now if you add fluid or if it's full, okay, we'll talk about that, what else can easily cause that. But usually when you get that message, all we have to do, get approved windshield washer fluid. Now never add just water guys, okay, because if it freezes it can damage your system, and that can be catastrophic. It can break the windshield washer pump, the reservoir, the hose here, so hoses can explode and things like that. So it could be really costly repair. You may end up spending $500 guys to actually fix something that you just added water. So we're going to go ahead, okay, add ours. If the message doesn't go away, what do you need to do? Now there are a couple possibilities guys for that specifically. Okay, one thing, it could be that the sensor stayed dry for too long. It has two electrodes that when the water contacts them, practically it clears that message. But if it stayed too long, it could have oxidized, and you might need to add it, wait a few days and it will fix itself. If it doesn't, it's a bad sensor in the washer fluid reservoir. We have a video about that, how to replace washer fluid, windshield washer fluid reservoir on BMW E90 if you need help with that. But most of the time, all we have to do is add washer fluid. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.